Your mind never stops. Even when your body is tired, your thoughts keep running. You replay conversations. You imagine worst-case scenarios. You analyze everything. This is not intelligence. This is overthinking. And it's slowly destroying your peace, your confidence, and your life. This is Rebuilt Mindset. Part 1. What overthinking really is. Overthinking is not problem solving. Problem solving leads to action. Overthinking leads to paralysis. It's the mind trying to feel safe by controlling everything. Outcome. But life cannot be controlled that way. Part 2. Why your brain does it. Your brain is designed to protect you, so it scans for danger. But in modern life, there are no lions. So the brain creates threats. What if I fail? What if they judge me? What if it goes wrong? Your mind confuses thoughts with threats. Part 3. Overthinking drains energy. Thinking feels productive, but it quietly steals energy. You feel tired without doing anything. You feel anxious without a reason. That's mental exhaustion. Overthinking is invisible work with zero results. Part 4. The loop you can't escape. Thought, anxiety, more thought, fear. The more you think, the worse it gets. You wait to feel ready. You wait to feel confident. But confidence comes after action, not before. Part 5. Why overthinkers don't move. Overthinking creates perfectionism. You want the perfect plan, the perfect timing, the perfect moment. But perfection is just fear wearing a mask. So nothing starts. Part 6. Real-life example. Look at people who succeed. They don't think less. They act sooner. They make mistakes. They adjust. They move forward. Clarity comes from motion, not from thinking. Part 7. How to break the cycle. You don't silence the mind. You redirect it. Simple steps. Write thoughts down. Limit decision time. Take small actions. Accept uncertainty. Action is medicine. Mind is a tool. But if you don't control it, it controls you. Peace is not found by thinking more. It's found by trusting yourself to act. This is Rebuilt Mindset, and clarity comes from movement.